biggest digital trend which is impacting the finance and accounting industry is more about data. I say data because today, for example, data engineering is kind of replacing finance in terms of inputting transactional information in our system. We also need to link our data warehouse to our accounting software, for example, and there's a lot of tasks that the accountant was used to do that we're not doing anymore in terms of inputting this data, and then the accountant can spend much more time in terms of adding value to a business and really being a business partner to a business as well. So the line, what I see as well is the line between data and finance is getting very, very thin today. For example, what we call today a finance business partner can also be a data analyst person or a business intelligence analyst, where what we do, we try to analyze the performance of a business and try to provide insights to the business. For example, you can look to the data, process it, try to look at it in different dimensions. It can be in terms of product, for example, in terms of geo, in terms of solution, in terms of use case, different dimensions to really provide insight and to help on the growth or improve the profitability of a company. Same, for example, in terms of data science, it also helps us to build predictive models to help us to better project the performance of a company in the future. So in short, I see that being a data analyst and being a finance professional are almost becoming the same today. I mean, I'm a finance professional. As a finance professional, I have a CPA, and then I have a membership. And to be able to keep my membership, I need to do certain trainings every year, spending maybe several tens of hours every year to keep myself updated. It can be about a technical topic, but it can also be a management topic as well. But at least it's something that can help me keep updated and also improve me as a finance professional. I also participate to a lot of different events. Meeting and networking with CFOs, participating to network, sometimes organized by Aspire with our partners like NetSuite or with AWS, for example, when we take a different kind of topics and we discuss about it. It can be related to finance, but also broader topics about how, for example, we can raise in a bear market, for example. And at the same time, so what we do, for example, to keep myself updated, I always talk to the peers to try to see what are the different software that we are using that can help us to improve our own processes to be much more efficient as a finance team. For me, that's 5 things. The first thing, as a finance professional, you always need to be detailed and hands-on. Don't hesitate to deep dive to really master a subject or a topic, for example. The second one, you should not accept the status quo, trying always to improve yourself, to improve your team, to improve the processes that you're working on. The third one is to be helpful and contributing to the business, always trying to provide insight to the different stakeholders that you're working with. The fourth one is not only to being a specialist in a specific domain, but always having a view on the general topics, even if it's something that you're not comfortable with. And the last one, it would be to really build your personal branding, because influencing, for example, stakeholders is very important today. It's even more important to be a good influencer than a very good technician. I mean, for me, I come here first to support my team at Aspire. So it's an important event for us. There's a lot of accounting and finance professionals today. So happy to meet them, and also happy to discuss and to network with the different other partners to see what we can offer in the market and if there's a solution that we can adopt at Aspire for our own use.